God.
So guess what?
Yes.
Guess what?
Yes. Yes.
She dashed me away.
She said you dash her away. She said you dash her away.
Jesus.
See?
Look at the energy.
Break me.
Oh yeah, she's
So much.
You see, look at that. Look at the connection.
So
Energy. Yeah. Oh. It's tears of joy.
My son and her daughter was in the same class.
So, Chef, your name. Tell them your name again. Someone.
My name?
Yeah.
Oh, my name is Rochelle. I'm good.
Yeah, but you say like, oh,
Okay,
you have eternal love.
okay, so I'm Mac's sister. Internal love, looking out from the back window on a rainy day and with God's love. You must lick me when you sing that part.
Link her up on the bar. You're true now.
My mother drinks sorrel.
Yeah. Because you're representing for the moment. You're representing for Max.
From the smiley of New York.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, this is the smiley of New York.
Yes, I love our energy.
Alright.
I don't know if we can match it though, because I can't whine
It's on me, alright guys, everybody.
It's on you? Alright, I'm 1, 2 plates of lobster. 1, 2, 3.
It's on me.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Yes, man. Cool, man. Cool, man.
But we're from the upper side still.
Upper side. See them all up.
Remember one of the time you get a donation from from 8.5 Street.
Okay, 8.5 Street.
Right.
Yeah. That's about Jungle. Okay.
I think there was a girl that her mother had passed away.
Oh, that's Abigail.
Right.
Abigail. I remember now when I say 8.5 Street and say my dad.
Right, yeah, man, it's a good program there though.
Yeah, man. I was glad for meeting the same way, you know.
And some like to see the people, this is the way we're supposed to be living.
Yeah.
Not the war and the violence and killing each other.
No,
you know, that's not good.
None of that.
I mean, we're from one community, so with the war and the, you know, what it's for. Huh? Tony. Jonestown. Me used to live at Pegasus, building 11.
Yeah.
I remember you.
Sandra brother. Sandra brother and
Yeah, I remember you. I know you. Errol is my brother.
Yeah.
Sandra is his wife.
Was his wife.
Look at that.
Sorry, Sandra mother.
Look at that.
I recognize your face. I'm like, I recognize your face. Right in front of Preach Ambassador Theatre.
Yeah, we're building 7.
Building 7?
Yeah.
Okay, I was on building 11 from 1973 till 84 when I leave and come
Look at that.
Building 7 was, alright, Jeff was on building 8.
Yeah.
7 was the other one.
The other one, right? The first one when you come from.
When you come in, right from Love Street.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Right.
Yeah,
but tell me Sammy and what was his brother name again?
Sammy. What's Sammy's big brother again?
Sammy was the.
Yeah.
Errol.
No, not Errol.
Bigger. You used to have another brother named Bigger too.
Bigger, the other one who died.
Sammy.
Bigger died.
You mean Pirate?
Pirate.
Pirate.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Man.
Yeah. My mother was Mr. and Mrs. Johnson.
Yeah, I remember your
Right.
days.
Yeah.
Johnson too.
Yeah, so see you now, Johnson. This is the unify we're talking about and the energy, you know.
Energy, right.
1973, from the first open up, them building, they will move them. That's why we stay until was there from 73. Yeah,
Wow.
Charlie Smith.
Yeah, my grandfather was Mr. Fletcher.
Fletcher, the shoemaker.
Yes, that's my grandfather.
Right.
Yeah, that's my grandfather.
He was on building 7.
Yes.
Right.
Look at that.
Yeah, man. Right.
But I must say America big. We're small, America big.
No matter how big it is, if there's a certain energy, you're going to attract to that
Exactly.
energy. No matter how big it is.
You know?
And that's the energy, the same frequency. So just connect. Cause look what happened, we just pull up here and everything.
And it's just by coincidence, I said, we are coming to get some food.
You see?
No coincidence.
No coincidence.
From me see me recognize you right now.
Yeah.
Somebody pull up over there and say, Kino?
Right.
Yeah,
And then you come like,
yeah, so it's no coincidence.
Yeah.
That's why it's happening. It's meant to happen like that, you know, because it's the same energy, man. I'm glad for knowing, so yo, it's the one family. Look at that. Max, yeah, eternal love and his mom is someone that also are looking in. Yeah, when you're watching the same program and all people know that, you don't know each and every relatives. Look how it works, you know. You might know your parents too.
right,
You never know.
might be family. Extended family.
Exactly, so.
No, Johnson come from Constant.
Well, the Johnson side of my family come from Saint Elizabeth.
Okay.
Springfield, right. That's my dad was from there.
My family is St. Elizabeth.
See this, see this.
Johnson, them name too, so.
Din 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 din.
know.
You never know. So the world is not small, man. America big.
I'm the electrician.
Helping him out, you know, because we need it.
Yeah. I said electrician this.
Oh, you know that I was
And that is my auntie. That's my auntie there. Auntie Charm right there.
Oh, hi.
That's my auntie.
How you guys living on you?
Our
How you
auntie.
know that I'm the electrician?
Because what you put on our way to
What?
Oh, you didn't say you didn't know yet. Drag my memory, who you are now.
See that? You never know who's watching you, you know? So that's why we have to show love, you know, keep it positive because you never know
I
who
was
you
driving and somebody was taking their sweet time and I'm like, move them and I help them.
Yeah.
Listen, wait, but me stop, because maybe they go in the same place I'm going.
Exactly, so you never know, man. Hey, listen, we give thanks to the Almighty, to the Creator, you know, make stuff possible, you know, things like these, you know, bed dinner and everything. Yeah, big dinner should cook.
Cold chicken back there. I open a whole cold chicken.
Yeah, wow, chef, wow, chef, the menu over here, run the boat.
Chicken back, you cook it up.
Whoa, you know? Imagine the worship day and no shirt.
And the OFC.
And the OFC. Worship day
I
and
know
no
that
shirt.
weather and good theme. I'm always hot.
Yeah.
This weather would be perfect for you.
Yeah.
Because I take off shirt and
Wow.
it's nice.
Well, yeah, let's watch a big jacket.
I'm never going before they beat me up solemnly, alright?
Respect,
Yeah, man,
man.
respect.
Yeah.
I subscribe.
Ever see your nephew them? Tell them say, man,
Yeah.
say he love you know.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
Can you have my number, right?
Yeah?
You have my number?
Have the number.
Yeah, man, give me a call.
Send me
Yeah.
some money.
Yeah.
Oh, auntie. I saw you a couple nights ago on the scene. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're funny.
You see? Really?
She dashed me where it's alright.
Should I?
Get back to them on the night.
Yeah.
I'm telling me, I don't want to go back to
I'm tell her.
me know if I'm going to tell you that about myself.
Yeah. You see?
Oh my God.
They're
Okay,
friends.
wait, so,
You see, look at that.
So, guess what?
yes.
Guess what?
Yes. Yes.
She dashed me away.
Oh, she said you dash away. She said you dash away.
Jesus.
See?
Look at the energy.
I always tell Miss Williams to tell me I say hi.
That's right, there's a
That's
thing
my mom, that's my brother, my sister, my
That's
niece.
right.
Yeah, we were here talking.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's her whole.
That's how I said I was gonna pick up my sister.
This Norika.
Yes.
She used to actually do my ear.
Oh, she used to do your ear.
She used to do my ear. She even babysit Ariel when we go back to school.
I'm the one who found out first.
That I was pregnant with Ariel. She went to get the pregnancy test, and I was like, no, I'm going through menopause. But she said, no, you're pregnant.
Oh yeah, she's
So
gonna be
much.
the life. Trust
You
me.
see, look at that. Look at the connection.
So yeah,
Energy.
yes, not so married.
Yeah. Oh. It's tears of joy. It's
My
tears of
son and
joy.
her daughter was in the same class for years.
And they were Q&A husband and wife.
Tears of joy. You see that?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Look at that. We here talking and that's why I said don't leave.
Yeah.
We said don't leave.
Come man, it's tears of joy, man. Come. It's tears of joy, man. I told you. It's tears of joy.
I
Stay
thought-
with us to dinner for dinner, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Stay with us for dinner.
You have to. You know you cook the big pot.
Yeah.
I graduated. I got my master's. I passed my social work license exam recently.
We got our license together.
I'm a license together, and she got the car, and I did it. Oh my God! Yeah, so much happening. We got it. God is good.
It is good.
God is good.
See that?
You're still doing it. It's okay. It's all right. I know you was mad at me, but I had to go find myself, and I found myself, and I'm still finding myself.
finding herself.
And God is
finding
good.
to do.
And through it all, I'm grateful. And this had to happen. People will come back into your life for different reasons. We eat. What we used to do after school when the kids them, we used to go over, eat, go drop the kids them off, go to our house or my house, hang out, and then run go get the kids them and say, see you tomorrow. How's everybody?
Once you create a connection, it's a lifelong connection.
Yeah.
I'm like, who that?
I could listen. The kids, them pictures still on my phone.
Really?
Yes.
She had the grandkids them in her phone, and you never know
You
that.
never know that.
And with the attack,
That's why you know you can't do people
My
things like
mother.
that. You could have the door or something.
That's why. That's why you live
their
good.
mother, yes, oh
You're
my God,
so
what
good
I'm
to
afraid
people.
I'm a friend, mother, I'm a
daughter something.
My God!
And look how long them attack, you know? Look how long.
They say Jackie Chan.
Oh, back in the day, trust me.
Yeah, so this is Mac's sister.
Extended
Yeah,
love
extended.
from the inside looking out.
Yeah, eternal love.
Internal love.
Someone on the outside looking
But
in,
me, yes.
and she's looking
Me
even
looking
better.
Even better. Not no Kino. Wow,
That's how I know the gated community because of her.
She had about say your friend live over.
Yeah.
You see? That's what it meant to be, you know?
my God.
And we can't hide this moment, you know?
Oh my God.
You know?
You're gonna be famous, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be with me both the same time.
Yeah.
Let's go eat, guys.
So we're gonna go eat. You see, that's how it works. That's how they. Yeah, come, auntie. Auntie, we're going to eat, auntie. So Max, imagine if the list was here saying we don't get her.
And we don't come. Can me tell them? Say, one, go on.
I imagine if she'd ever say she's going, you know.
But we haven't seen each other in years.
In years. Ariel is 6, about to be 7.
But they're talking about years. Imagine the man that came up earlier that know the same relative for years. What's his name again?
Errol, Sandra, Errol, brother.
I don't wouldn't know.
Oh
problem.
them see your face, them see my face.
Yeah, so see that's So, Chef, your name. Tell them your name again. Someone.
My name?
Yeah.
Oh, my name is Rochelle. I'm good.
Yeah, but you say like how you have eternal love.
Okay, so I'm Mac's sister. Internal love, looking out from the back window on a rainy day and with God's love.
So that is that.
She gonna get some comments.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
You're gonna have some guys like, is she single?
Yeah.
Right now.
You know, I'm getting rid of him after 22 years.
Yeah.
But I'm healing, guys.
Yeah.
Time.
All right then. So she's single.
But he gotta know himself.
All right then. You hear that?
Self-aware, honey. So I'm a therapist, so I'm gonna have to do something.
All right then. So that is good.
That's good.
Good. So we're gonna have food then. We're gonna eat.
Come, Jesse.
We're gonna eat.
Where you near? Oh, turn on love. Give it love, look it up.
Yeah, because you're representing for the mommy, you're representing for Max.
When me the smiley of New York.
Yeah. Okay. Boy, yes, this is the smiley of New York.
Yes, I love our energy.
Alright.
You know we can't match it though, because we can't wine like
But you're doing good so far.
It's Kino.
Yeah, you're doing good. Blessed, my brother.
This lady's gonna assist you, alright?
It's on me, alright guys, everybody.
It's on you?
It's on me.
I'm 1, 2 plates of lobster. 1, 2, 3.
It's on me.
I'll catch that one there.
No.
2 plate of lobster show.
You're going to see scratchy head.
Like I mean, so they chew the food for me, you know.
Oh, your auntie now.
Are you not for go show?
When nobody come call you,
Tell them, hey, listen, you're not getting
The phone I go ring, you know. Yeah.
When did my almost ex I go see me? What the hell is you doing? I want you back.
They say, you're almost ex.
You never know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I took off my wedding band and I know where the word love.
Oh, that's nice.
Because I
That's
know.
all you need.
But love will come into my life one day.
Love is already there.
It's already here.
Love is already
You're
there.
right.
One day.
There's
already
there's
here.
nothing like God's love.
What do you having for your meal?
So I guess we should link her on the single Wednesday.
No, I'm good. Can't compete with them ladies there. Make them get with them connection first, then me come.
After.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
I want to see all of them find them. You know?
Yeah.
Make me come out of mine and
Yeah.
still heal.
She's something else.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I forgot to tell you about
She's
my
something
sister.
else. I never know she's like this.
And she's just mellow right now. Wait till she get that liquor drinking her.
No,
Wow.
I don't drink. And I don't drink. This is our natural high.
Oh, you drink juice?
We drink water.
Alright, so you still drink?
And I drink sorrel. Now you know they know your mother drinks sorrel, right?
Yeah. So how we gonna eat? We not can eat. We not can
Hold
eat.
on, I don't even know what I want to eat.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I want this soup. Get fast for me. No, I'm not drink sorrel.
So I'm sorry.
Yeah, me I drink sorrel. Yeah. Let me look where my
No, sorry.
So you don't scoop in.
You scoop
You
out.
scoop out.
Oh. Do it
I
again?
know you love watch the ladies them or them eat.
Yeah.
Ladies, pinkies out.
Yeah.
Scoop not in. You scoop out.
Okay. So the single man them so I want to
Wow. I want to take me out. Wow.
Yeah, take me out. And learn to scoop out.
Oh, that's it.
Looking even better. Oh, you record. Moment on flagger.
Mommy, what is wrong with you?
Moment on flagger.
I'm gonna wait for your order. No, she come with camera. They probably offer that curry chicken.
Watch if you want some curry chicken back right now, you know. Right now, watch some curry chicken back. What you say? Where you looking out the window?
No. Where the man put up my water, so.
Where you curry?
Oh, not in, sir.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't forget the pinky.
And the pinky.
I apologize.
Yes, look at it.
Right, looking out the window.
Looking out the window. Doesn't it taste better when you do that?
Put the pinky out.
No, go back to where you're normally do when you're there.
Yeah. You know what remind me as well of Georgia Ellis.
Georgia Ellis.
She always a comment in the comment section.
Oh, yeah.
Georgia is just
She's
like
funny.
her. Listen,
Yeah.
Georgia Ellis go on like her.
Remember he used to call out and never used to.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, she's something else, man. Georgia
Sometimes you know, so when I come from work, I sit down in my recline and I just listen to it. Sometimes I read the comments, I just listen. Go about my business, but.
You just scoop out
So what? Everybody else not eat?
No, it's all about you tonight.
No, sir. I'm ready for this a day with you, yeah. Show my mother. Look how mommy talking. Mommy talking me something in that. Mommy. Mommy, no.
Look, see your sorry there.
No liquor, right?
No.
No liquor.
Then I want to hear my mother drink, sir.
Alright, you see that part, they must lick me when you sing that part.
Alright, go on. Link her up on the part. You hear that tune now?
I want my mother drink sorrel.
Oh. Every day them sit up for me, name them a quarrel. So we're drinking, right now we're drinking sorrel, mommy.
Yes, but love
She
that
says
part.
sorrel and Max says sorrel too.
Did anyone order a fruit punch?
Fruit punch.
Fruit punch, auntie?
Oh, sorrel. Sorrel, yes. We have to drink sorrel. Rich in life.
Elevation, you know.
Yeah. Rich in life.
Is she still the same as you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look calm, right? Like a DNT. Like a reserve.
You should always be like this.
I was always the reserve one.
Yeah, you what? You know the one there where you see, where it's like you stretch it and you know the long one there and you wrap it around you. You see when you're done? Wow.
I know.
She don't need it. But the rest of we,
Yeah.
we need it. So when I do that, I can't breathe.
But the good.
But I look cute.
Yeah. The belly well tucked in.
Belly well tucked in, but I tell you, say, I can't breathe. You see, I couldn't even eat nothing. Tell you, man. And who tell me for the weight last summer, we are wedding. You know how much sweat in the eye, though? But me the cute.
Strange face.
Hi, Esther. Find a seat for Esther.
Yeah. She come join one. She's bringing one.
She bringing that chair. Come, Esther, come in here. Bring Esther over here.
Over here.
Right over here.
Move.
How are you, secretary?
No, we're moving now.
She's pretty.
Esther.
Watch me never do this to nobody else. God, Esther.
Listen, when he say
When you have my phone in your ear, you're right in front of me. Okay. Why should we come over?
can't block the walkway.
No, we don't move over.
We can move over.
No, internal love. Because I'm eternal love, internal love. Someone on the inside looking out from the back window. When it's raining, it looks sometimes it's foggy outside. Oh, that's how it goes.
Yeah.
God is good.
Yeah. That's her name, Esther.
My little sister. That's the baby, and she's someone peeking in. She know what's the black.
Okay.
Wait, now which one am I? Wait, make sure I'm not.
Yeah,
I don't want to kiss you.
Kiss up me earth with her like.
She and the baby. Baby sister. Bigger than me.
Yeah. Yeah, she bigger.
So him are the oldest, I'm the middle child, the one with the issues.
I'm the youngest.
No, you're the oldest by 2 years. Yeah.
That's a belly hurt me.
That's how you eat?
Shrimp gone already.
Thing, right? You ever seen it on Red Car? You know the girl, the metal.
Waist trainer?
It's not a waist trainer. It's
The
like
one that look like bandage?
the one will look like bandage. Oh my God, Esther.
Closet, your closet one of Your closet one, place them, your closet one.
That's what it's called?
Them have it, yeah.
And you stretch it. And you just wrap it.
Yeah.
Right. Tell them about
You
it.
can make somebody grab.
And let them pull it. And
Yeah.
you don't breathe. And you're dead. But you look good in the casket. Yeah, I tell them to wait last summer. Oh my God, I want wedding. Tuck you in, but you see, the eatings never really happen.
Yeah.
Them keep offering my food, I'm like, no thanks.
Belly too tight.
I'm Santania. I am the owner and operator of L'Avenue. I am a mobile lash tech, so whenever you want to get your lashes done, I'm your girl.
Yeah, I'll wait to find you.
In Queens, New York.
Okay, IG?
L'Avenue _L_A_VENUE.
Okay, alright, take care.
Bye.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.